Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday at Dollar General, which is August the 14th. And I have one completely free and may even pay for some of your taxes. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important that you scan each item when you are in the store before you go up to the register to make sure that the digital coupons are still attaching. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store, and even if you're off by 5 cents, that can throw the whole deal off. So make sure that you're scanning your items. And here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios on Saturday. I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more, and keep in mind that that is before taxes. Now, if you have a newer keypad, you will have to ask your cashier what your subtotal is. If you still have the older keypads in place, it will show you on the screen. Next, I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have the older keypads, it will actually show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then I'll hand over any paper coupons last. Now keep in mind, if your subtotal after coupons isn't what you expect it to be, you can void the transaction and try again, because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons you may have handed over will still work as well because the transaction was never completed. Now once the transaction is completed and you've paid for those items, there's no way to get those digital coupons back. Even if you take the items back and return them, they'll just give you your money back. You won't get the digital coupons back onto your account, or the paper coupons either for that matter. So make sure that if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, if that's not what you planned for, just go ahead and void it, try to regroup, figure out what happened, and then try again. Alright guys, so before we get into the scenarios, I've got a couple of glitches that I want to tell you all about. So first up, we have a 1-off 1 degree deodorant beauty bag exclusive coupon. This is glitching and working on the degree men's or women's travel size deodorants. You can find these in the travel section. They are $1, so pick one up for $1, use this coupon, and that will give you a complete freebie. Or you could also pick up the Degree Men's 1.7 ounce deodorants or the Degree Women's 1.6 ounce deodorants. These are priced at $2. Use the 1-off 1 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying just $1. Alright, next up, we have a 1-off 2 for the Clorox products. This digital coupon is glitching and working on the Clorox dish soap found in the dollar aisle. So what you want to do is pick up 2 for $1, use that 1-off 2 digital coupon, and that will leave you paying $1 for 2, making those just 50 cents each. Now, I also want to mention earlier in the week we had a Glade coupon for 1-off 1, and it was glitching and working with the Clorox hand soaps and dish soap products found in the dollar aisle. You can go back and check out my previous video if you want to see what's up with that, or what happened with me. Anyways, that coupon is still working for some people. I'm still seeing comments that it is working on the lemon scented dish soap, so that may be a your miles may vary glitch. I know that it's fixed in my area for sure, but that may be something that you want to scan in store, because if that Glade coupon is still working on the Clorox dish soap, that'll be completely free. Next up, big shout out and thank you to Miss Deborah Williams-Buss for letting me know about this glitch. So we have the Pedigree 3.5 pound bags of dog food, and we have a 1-off 1 digital coupon that's supposed to be for the 9 pound or larger, and this one is working. So if you want to pick up one of the 3.5 pound bags of dry dog food for $5, use the 1-off 1 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying just $4. Now, if you guys are not already subscribed to Miss Deborah Williams-Buss, I'm going to leave her linked down in the pinned comment below, so go and check out her YouTube channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, we have a household deal, and we are going to take advantage of the instant savings on Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex products. For when you spend $20, you'll instantly save $4 at the register. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of these Scott 12-pack bath tissues for $10. They are $5 each. 2 of the Cottonelle 12-pack bath tissues for $10. They are also $5 each. 2 of those Clorox dish soaps found in the dollar aisle for $2. They are $1 each. One of the Lysol multi-purpose sprays for $2. One of the Lysol 15-count wipes for $1 found in the dollar aisle. And one of the Bic 10-count pens for $1. And also 3 of the Colgate toothpaste for $3 and 2 of the BioFreeze patches for $3.50. They are $1.75 each. Now, again, I want to mention, if you missed my video from earlier in the week, go back and watch that on the Colgate toothpaste. These are found in the dollar aisle. Now, big disclaimer, we're getting some reports are floating around out there that this is a dead deal. However, I just checked it again. It's still working for me in my area. This may be a your miles may vary glitch. So just make sure that you're scanning those items before you go up to the register to make sure that those glitches are still working. Now, one more quick note that I want to make about this scenario. I threw in the 2 BioFreeze patches there on the end just to get our subtotal after coupons a little bit lower and to take advantage of that overage. So if the Colgate is a dead deal in your area, or if you don't have the 2 BioFreeze patches in your store, if they're out of stock, you can remove either the 3 Colgate toothpaste or the 2 BioFreeze patches, and the scenario should still work out. You have to leave one of those in, but it should still work out really good, and you should have a pretty low subtotal after coupons. So you'll just have to take one of those out and kind of redo the math at the end, but it should still work out fine. So for this scenario that I have on the screen here, your subtotal will be $32.50. The $4 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and that will make your new subtotal $28.50. So that still puts us over the $25 mark. So that 5 off $25 coupon will still work. All right, so here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So you're going to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 1 off 1 Cottonelle, the 1 off 2 Clorox products, the 50 cent off 1 Lysol product, 50 cent off 1 Lysol product, 1 off 1 Big Stationery product, the 5 off 3 Colgate toothpaste, the 2 off 1 BioFreeze, the 250 off 1 BioFreeze, and your subtotal after coupons will be $9.01 for 14 items. But it gets a little bit better, because then you're going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app. You're going to get back $2 because they do have a 1 off 1 coupon for Cottonelle and a 1 off 1 coupon for Scott products. So you're going to get $2 back. That will make your final price $7.01 for 14 items, or just 50 cents each. And that's pretty good considering we are getting 4 packs of bath tissue. Alright guys, so for this next scenario, we have a food deal. So you want to pick up 3 of the General Mills cereals. They're on sale, 3 for $6. 2 of the Nestle ice cream singles for $2. They are $1 each. 1 of the Eggo waffles for $2.75. 1 of the Folgers 7-count singles for $1. 1 of the Grown-In Idaho fries for $2.50. 4 of the Kellogg's cereals for $10. They are on sale, 2 for $5. 2 of the BioFreeze 1-count patches for $3.50. They are $1.75 each. And 3 of those Colgate toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $3. Your subtotal will be $30.75. We have an instant savings of $3 when you spend $10 on Kellogg's cereals. So that's going to come off first at the register. Then your new subtotal will be $27.75. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So you're going to make sure you have your 5 off 25, 150 off 2 General Mills cereal, the buy one get one free Nestle ice cream, the 50 cent off 1 Eggo waffles, 1 off 1 Folgers, 75 cent off 1 Grown-In Idaho fries, the 1 off 2 Kellogg's, another 1 off 2 Kellogg's, the 2 off 1 BioFreeze, the 250 off 1 BioFreeze, and the 5 off 3 Colgate. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $6.50 for 17 items, making each item just 38 cents each. Now that's pretty good considering those General Mills cereals that was on the top of our list are on sale this week, 3 for $6. Alright guys, so for this next scenario, I have an all digital Gain deal. So everybody can do this deal. For this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50. 1 of the Gain laundry products for $6.95. That does include the liquid laundry detergent, the pods, the fabric softener, the sheets, and the scent boosters. And you want to pick up 2 of the BioFreeze 1-count patches for $3.50 and 3 of those Colgate toothpaste for $3 in the dollar aisle. Your subtotal will be $26.95. And here are the coupons that you want to make sure you have clipped to your account. And here is your list of coupons, so you're going to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 5 off 20 Gain, the 3 off 1 Gain Flings, the 2 off 1 Gain Laundry, the 2 off 1 BioFreeze, the 2 50 off 1 BioFreeze, and that 5 off 3 Colgate. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $2.45 for 7 items, making each item just 35 cents each. So you're going to pay 35 cents for one of those big things of Gain 51 count flings. So that is an awesome deal. Alright guys, so for this next scenario, I have another Gain deal for you. Now this is digital coupons and paper coupons. So if you have some of those Gain P&G coupons that you are ready to use, here is a scenario for you. So for this one, you want to pick up 4 of the Gain laundry products for $15.80. Those are $3.95 each. So you can pick up the flings, they have fabric softener, sheets, scent boosters, all that good stuff. $3.95. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Gain laundry products for $6.95. Again, you can pick up the liquid laundry detergent, the fabric softener, the sheets, the scent boosters, all kinds to choose from. Then you want to pick up 2 of those BioFreeze 1-count patches for $3.50 and 3 of those Colgate toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $3. And that is going to put your subtotal at $29.25. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So you want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 5 off 20 Gain, 4 of the 2 off 1 Gain coupons from the August P&G. Then you're going to need a 2 off 1 Gain, either the digital coupon, or we also still have 2 off 1 Gain coupons from the July P&G. By the way, all of those Gain coupons do expire on Saturday, so if you have them, make sure you use those up. Then you're going to need that 2 off 1 BioFreeze digital coupon, the 2 50 off 1 BioFreeze digital coupon, and the 5 off 3 Colgate. Your subtotal after coupons will be completely free, plus you're going to have 25 cents in overage, and that should apply to your taxes, so you may not even have to pay very much in taxes as well. So that is an awesome deal. Now, if you plan on doing these Gain scenarios, please make sure that you scan each and every Gain product, and make sure, if you're doing an all digital deal, make sure that all 3 digital coupons attach to the Gain product. So for instance, there's an example on your screen here. If you are scanning the Gain flings, it should look something like this. So you'll have your 3 off 1 digital coupon up there at the top, you'll have your 5 off 25, and then you'll see the 5 off 20 Gain coupon down there. They'll all 3 show up underneath that product. And also, even if you are doing a Gain scenario but using paper products, it is very important to still scan your items to make sure that the 5 off 25 shows up and the 5 off 20 Gain shows up, because I was playing around in the app and I noticed that the 5 off 20 Gain is not working on all scents for all of the Gain products. So certain liquid laundry detergents are not working with certain scents. So it's very important. Make sure that you scan that and make sure that all of your coupons are showing up underneath the product that you want to pick up. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I tried to keep it short, sweet, and simple and give you guys some good deals to look forward to on Saturday. Now, I have been working on a lot of stuff. I've got a lot of stuff planned, some pretty exciting stuff. So, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is right down below, big red button. You can't miss it. Hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.